channel. Now for today, we're gonna be making the perfect chicken fried rice. This is made exactly like takeout if you follow these few simple techniques and ingredients that we will be using today. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below so you won't miss out on my quick and easy recipes, which always have a unique twist to them, like this one right here. Let's get started. Starting off by seasoning my chicken breast, I'm going to be adding a small piece of grated ginger and a garlic clove to the marinade, as well as some salt and pepper and a dash of soy sauce. I'm working with dark soy sauce today, which is less salty and richer in color than regular soy sauce. Once the chicken is all mixed up together, I'm going to be preheating my pan very well with a bit of oil. Be sure that your pan is super hot and then add all of that delicious chicken to the wok and allow it to cook through about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how small your chicken is cut. This fried rice is a very quick dinner, so be sure that all of your ingredients are already cut and ready to go. I'm working with the highest heat here to get the best results. Now, once all of those juices have came out of the chicken and they start to become caramelized all over, I'm going to push it off to the side and I'm going to be adding 2 cups of cooked Basmati rice. This is cold rice that was prepared the day before. I'm going to drizzle it with some of that dark soy sauce and fry it up for a few seconds, combining all of that chicken together. And after it's thoroughly heated, I'm going to be seasoning it with some salt and pepper. This is going to be pushed off to the side, then I'm adding 3 scrambled eggs. As you can see, we're not working with too much oil here. So once the eggs are all fried up, quickly add the mixed vegetables and the chopped scallions. Mix everything until it's thoroughly heated and your fried rice is ready to be served up. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to make this in the future, don't forget that the recipe is listed down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.